So you are from the Propulse NTNU team, and now you're here at IAC. So what is your role here? What do you do?
So this year I'm kind of between two roles. So I've just finished off one project in Propulse NTNU. It was supposed to fly this summer. It did not because we had some anomalies with our testing campaign with the tank blowing up and all that stuff. But straight after that, I went for an internship in Augsburg at RFA. So that's where I'm currently working. So now that I'm here, it says Propulse on my badge, but it's kind of a bit of RFA as well. So, but it's not. It doesn't serve any different purpose for me to just be curious and have a look and meet people and chat. That's the goal.
And what are you doing with RFA?
So at RFA, I am a part of the 3D printing team. So that's part of production team. And that mostly consists of doing quality management of the printed components. And at RFA, they are printing pretty much the entire engine out of two different alloys, and they have two different printers that prints each alloy. So my regular week consists of doing measurements and looking at test results and evaluating the parts' mechanical eligibility. Is it below threshold? Is it above threshold? Will it proceed for a flight component? So that's quite cool. Being in the heart of a rocket company and actually seeing advanced staged combustion engines being produced in front of me. That's quite cool.
Okay. And so you're working on adjusting the settings of these 3D printers to increase the mechanical properties of the finished parts?
I'm creating data that enables my boss to adjust the settings, to put it that way. So I'm here for 3 months as an intern, and it's a bit interesting how this internship develops, because it takes some time getting into the role and getting to know the procedures and all that stuff. And usually around the 3 months mark, you start becoming good, and then suddenly you have to go home. So that's so what if I were to be here for 3 additional months, maybe would have been getting some other tasks and some more influential tasks, you can say. But in a couple of weeks, I'm back in Trondheim again.